Bonjour. If you're here, it's because you understand that your markdown percentage is a critical indicator to track in your online store or physical brick and mortar store. And you're right. Many independent retailers don't know that number, and yet it does affect, of course, traffic, sales, and profitability. And you're going to see how it is very easy to calculate that number with just 2 minutes of your time and 2 numbers. Remember, your markdown percentage can be easily in a multi-label store between 10 and 20%. In a monobrand store, it can easily be between 20 to 30 and even 40% of your net sales. So we're talking the biggest thief in the store. How do we move forward and how do we calculate that effectively? So we just need 2 numbers and 2 minutes and possibly a calculator. That helps. As a retailer, on occasion, your initial markup is not known as a percentage, but sometimes as a number like 2.7 or 3. So that is the case. I would like you to convert that 2.7 markup into a percentage. How to do that? If you're in Europe or countries where there's a VAT, and suppose the VAT is 20%, so that would be 1.2. But if it's at 12%, it would be 1.12. Divide your 2.7 by 1.2, that gives you 225. And then apply 1 minus 1 divided by 225. And that's going to give you a 55.55% initial markup. So that's the markup that you have on your goods between the cost of your goods and the retail value of your goods. Now, what are basically the second number that we need is the gross profit. This one, you will find it in your P&L, profit and loss account, which I'm sure you have in front of you or that your accountant can deliver very easily. We also call it maintained markup. So the calculation is the initial markup, 55%, minus the gross profit, 45%, divided by 1 minus the initial markup. So in the current situation, we have the initial markup at 55, the gross profit at 45, that's 22.22% markdown percentage. So 22% of your net sales are given away in discounts. So every time you make 100,000 in net sales, you're giving away 22,000 in discounts. If you're a multi-label store, that number is quite high because we really want it to be a 10, maybe 15%. And starting 20+%, I'm not too confident you're going to be profitable. So look at your number, see how you compare to what we've just discussed. And if you feel you need help, then feel free to knock at the door. We're going to be here for you. You can also scan the QR code and you'll be able to reach us through the website. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.